Callie, where are you? Gracias, señor.
That's awesome. Don't you feel like you're in Mexico?
Yes. I like this place. Perro.
Pregnant.
Hey, hola. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's the problem.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, no.
Easy boy. This is probably not to be left alone with a horse. I mean, with a mule. Yeah. Moving back over this way, big guy. There you go. He'll listen. He wants some beer. That's what he wants. Here, I'll hop off. That's cool. Yeah. Good. Beautiful. Gotta start that bike up and wake him up real quick.
Yeah.
Luperon. Let's do Luperon and Luperon. We're building our own mooring for the hurricane season, and we're looking for a spot to put it. It's kind of not overly crowded, but it's kind of a crowded harbor.
What does Arthur think?
I don't know if he cares. This is pretty much where we would live.
It's not too much farther than where we are now.
No, it's right next to where we are. The only downside to this I see is that we gotta stare at this derelict boat right here.
I'm just worried about the bugs. As in mosquitoes and no-see-ums.
Do you think it'd be much different than over there?
I don't know. It is closer to the mangroves.
How deep? I think it's like
No, it's
20 feet?
No, it's not.
Okay. Do I need more chain then?
Eh?
Maybe I need more chain. No? Nah.
No.
The screws are solid.
35.
35?
35, 40.
We're marking a spot for our mooring with Domingo. He's gonna dive on it, make sure everything's good. We've marked the spot we want. We're gonna test to make sure that the way all the boats swing, that there's enough room there. And right now he's bringing me over to take a look at the mooring screws that they've welded up for me over the last couple days.
The guy is construction does. It's crazy, man. It's very, very long.
Nice. So what we got here, we got like 1-inch rebar, steel. They painted it, and they welded on
It's a little bit short, but this is long.
some screws at the end. There's two, right?
Yes, two.
Is the other one still being worked on?
The other, another one, I haven't want this.
Is it shorter?
Yeah, a little bit short. Yes.
Okay. Do you turn it? Just
Yes.
one man turns this in?
Not two.
Two guys?
Yes.
Who helps you?
The guy is professional about that.
Good. Today is shopping day. I need to go into town and pick up some parts to make this mooring. I have to supply the chain and the shackles and everything else, but they're putting in the screw anchor, I guess you call it. So we got Arthur on the his little rain jacket. He's not happy. He doesn't like to wear clothes, but I think he'll appreciate it when we get out there.
Están amarrados ya, no hay problema, están amarrados los muertos ahí.
Con un chaco aquí y un chaco allá.
Un chaco aquí, un taco allí, esa es la cadena,
Sí.
amarrado aquí.
Sí.
Vean. Esa es la cadena, viene aquí, ese es el muerto,
Sí.
son los dos muertos. Ya están amarrados,
Y eso va aquí.
ya no necesita más nada. Este es el muerto que va a subir la cadena para acá.
Finding chain here is a little difficult because I think there is chain, but it's not really of high quality. And so I'm just gonna take probably 40 feet off of that chain for the spare road. And then I think once I get to Puerto Rico or the Virgin Islands, I'm gonna try and come up with some more 5/16 inch chain that I can actually use on the windlass. I think it's better if I use this chain for this mooring that will be on for, you know, 4 or 5 months, and then I'll find some other chain as a backup. But I'll still have a backup anchor road with at least 20 feet of chain on it, which isn't ideal, but for a backup I think it's fine. And with our Mantis and our ground tackle the way it's set up, it's highly unlikely we would even need that second anchor. I just have this little Dremel tool with like a carbide cutting blade at the end. It's good enough to cut, you know, a link of chain, 2 sides. Kelly started drying her hair, tripped the breaker. Tell the ladies, when you're using power tools, lay off the hair dryer.
Can I dry my hair now?
Yeah, I'm done. We have our main hookup. This will be one screw right here that goes way down 15 feet into the mud. Got 10 feet of chain that will attach to a secondary screw. This one's gonna be a little smaller, just how they made it. It's about 10, 12 feet down in the mud. That's a backup. From that screw, we have a shackle and then a swivel. About 35, 40 feet of chain that go up to another shackle, to another swivel, and then this big ass shackle that is totally overkill, but I had it on the boat since I got it. I never knew what to do with it. But this will make a nice clean attachment to tie our mooring lines to. Is it the same material? It's different.
More big material,
It's thicker.
that's solid material.
Yeah. All right, cool. Domingo.
Thank you, man.
What do you think, Arthur? Hmm?
Cierre la gasolina.
All right.
You drop it at the boat right there.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna tie under right there.
El mooring boat.
The mooring ball. Yeah. Okay, good.
Right?
There you go.
You have to give it like a 5 or 6 days to get it it's time.
Yeah. Horseback riding
In the DR.
in the DR.
Ese es el mulo.
Juan, hasta luego.
Sí, that's the mule.
He's gonna be frisky for sure.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's a baby. Look at those. Those are razor teeth.
Yeah.
That's a puppy.
That's a puppy.
Oy.
Look at that tummy.
You using the right side one.
Yeah. Pull back twice.
Easy.
No he tenido la suerte de viajar, pero con la familia.
Those bushes are all fun. Were you scared?
Yeah, because my saddle was like going like this.
I gotta maintain just a little bit. But then if I want them to stop, I just, it's like, I increase it by like less strength than it would take to like move a pencil across a piece of paper, you know?
Yeah. There's my girl. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Just kind of roaming around these countrysides, this hills, and looks like kind of like cattle roaming fields. The scenery is just absolutely amazing. Just all just natural, tropical. You okay back there? So Kelly is on the stallion, and of course I get the mule, right? And there's Karina on the Karina horse, who's got attitude. Oh, hi. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Mario just busted this tree apart for us. Go. Ay, ay, ay. Oh shit. Where's Kelly? Kelly, where are you?
Kelly!
Where's Kelly?
Right there, she's standing. Are you okay?
He threw you off? Where's the saddle? You okay, baby?
Yeah, I'm good.
So Kelly's horse just came up the hill
You're gonna step in barbed wire, dude.
without Kelly, and her whole saddle came off, but she's okay. What's up, Cliff?
Hey, bud. Are you just hanging out over here?
I was just having some coffee with Craig.
Oh, that's cool. We found you. How are these horses?
Well,
Are they well behaved?
well, we thought so until Kelly got thrown
They're
off.
not like, yeah, rental horses.
They-
He said that Kelly's horse is actually the calmest one normally.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
He said he smelled something bad. What, is that what he said?
When he was on the mule, he said the mule kind of reacted to a smell.
Oh,
I think it's a plant or something over there.
It broke.
Oh,
The leather snapped.
looks like the saddle actually broke. The strap broke.
Yeah. ¿Todavía se puede usar o hay que cambiarlo?
Break.
Easy boy. He's like,
Look at your horse.
Oh, that's
He's
nice.
like, I need a moment.
that's what he had to do.
That's what he had to do.
Shit.
It is
All right,
Arthur.
we're going
He
over.
hasn't
We're going over.
It is Arthur.
He might have.
Sweet. No.
Thanks, Arthur.
All right,
You
hey.
knocked me down.
Yeah.
He's walking up the hill. Something spooked him. I don't know what it was, but he got freaked out. And he went like this, and he did a kick. And the next thing I know, like this, I'm off to the side.
Did you land on your feet?
No, I landed on my rib,
Oh,
and I did a roll because I didn't want him to step on me.
luckily it was soft grass there.
Yeah, and luckily I didn't land in horse shit because it's everywhere.
That's your worst fear? You land on your ribs and you're glad you didn't land in horse shit.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get back on him?
Yeah, why?
Get back on that horse. After a glass of wine?
I think I hurt my back.
Oh no, really?
Yeah. Like screw out.
A veces porque uno no sabe.
No sabe. Uno come lo que está acostumbrado a comer. Sí. Sí, mi crió también. Mis padres son cubanos y,
That's a big.
¿sabes? Y mis abuelos también. Y mi abuela era de...
Oh, it does smell good. It's like a cross between mint and basil. How you doing, baby?
Oh, my stallion. She's got big balls.
I told you, man.
Traveling with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.
Hey guys, we need your help. We have some pretty amazing fans and an awesome little pirate ship here, but we have room for more on board. So subscribe now and tell a friend. You can also share us on Facebook and Instagram and keep up with our daily posts, as well as our website, sailingsatori.life. If you want to see even more from us, visit our Patreon page, where you'll see extra footage and personalized updates. Every effort keeps a little wind in our sails and helps us